Hey all, welcome back to a new video. As you might have seen the thumbnail and the title, that today's vlog is going to be different. It's a kind of fun, festive vlog with my family members and also a little bit of productive time as well. Hope you all enjoy the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to the channel. So I'm starting my first evening slot at 7:30 p.m. and I'm doing my Indian polity, and also I'm making notes from online classes. To be frank, I didn't have time to organize my study table, so I sat down and started making notes. As you all see that my things are scattered then and there. I was very hungry, so it's the time for dinner. Ragi dosa is my favorite, which is a rich source of protein and fiber as well. Continuing with my second slot at 8:45 p.m. after dinner. But I was not in a mood to study. It's because tomorrow there is a consecration of the temple in my grandma's place, which is also known as Kumbhabhishekam, which means it's a Hindu temple ritual that to make the place holy or to dedicate it to a higher purpose, to a deity. So basically the consecration of an idol is done by pouring water from the sacrificial pots with holy ceremonies. And that's the reason why I wasn't in the mood to study. I was in the festive mood, but I have to study and I have no other choice. So I'm continuing with my same Indian polity notes because I had a target that I have to finish 2 to 3 chapters within 2 hours today. So that's the reason why I was doing polity the whole evening. Within few minutes we are leaving to my grandma's home and I'm excited. The street is fully decorated with colorful lights and it seemed to be eye-pleasing. So you can also see the beautiful temple there. And that is my grandma's home. At the left side, my family has already gathered. This is Yagasale. A large number of devotees witnessed the special pujas at the Yagasale. And after the worship, I got these yummy, tasty prasads. And we all decided to make a cake surprisingly for my paternal uncle and aunt's wedding anniversary. My aunt is making the cake and my cousins and me, like we all were surrounding her and we were helping her. So she also runs a channel. She runs a YouTube channel. I have given the link in the description. Kindly support her and subscribe to her channel for more yummy cakes and different recipes. She failed to bring her turntable, so it was little bit difficult for us for decorating the cakes, but somehow we managed and it turned out very well. And the cupcakes were so yummy. I would recommend you to lower your volume. Finally, a cute reminder from my side is that life is a beach, so enjoy the waves, enjoy every moment of your life. I hope that you enjoy the video, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.